Repairs and hobbies, and we've got 4 pictures here I'm showing you, and this is of the extruder. Let's go to picture number 1 and open it up, and here's the extruder gear. It's this plastic right here, and here's metal gear, hardened steel, and this is where your filament rolls in through here. When you put these in, you're supposed to grease this part right here and not get any grease right here, but as you see in this picture, it's all chewed up, okay? So you may need grease here as well. So that's one picture. Let's look at another view. Here's another view of it. You see the gears are all chewed up. This is what happens when your filament gets clogged up and stuck. The gears wear out. And that's supposed to be hardened steel. Here's another view of it. It's all chewed up. See, they're all chewed up. I'm surprised the plastic even lasted. And I'm not getting bent on Bambu Lab. It's a good machine. It's just that they should make these out of tungsten carbide. I do believe the H2D printers have tungsten carbide extruders, and they should switch these over too. So here's another view of it. Okay, so what I want to show you today. Please rate, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help and by you sharing and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.